quick. Okay, I want you guys to comment in the chat. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Somebody comment that in my Zoom chat. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Because if you're not willing to sacrifice, then you're not ready to be a millionaire. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. I want you guys to write this down. We 28 deep today. So we about to channel a lot of energy. Okay. Okay. I pray that every single one of you walks off this call ready to trade and run up a bag. Okay. This has been a long time coming. I have to make sure that you guys get the basic stuff so we can get into advanced stuff, right? So let's get it going. First things first. Price trapping is really dope when it comes to trading. I'm gonna show you guys really fast how you can set up price alerts on your charts, okay? So when you go to do chart markups, all right, you can either use your product or your template, or you could use, whatever you want to use, okay? You can use TradingView, doesn't matter. For those of you that have never even seen this site before, I'm gonna drop it in the chat. TradingView.com, okay? Make sure that you have a free account .com so that you can do things like set price alerts. All right. So when we come to do an analysis, we're doing a price analysis to determine what direction is the price moving in the market. First things first, you need to go to the higher time frame. Okay. So when you're in TradingView, they have these selections for what time frame you want to look at. What time frame you want to look at. If you upgrade your thing, you can look at as small of a time frame as a second. I wouldn't recommend it, but hey, you could. You can look at the 1 minute, 5 minute, 45 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour day. Okay. So there's a difference between a swing trader and a scalper. You guys need to identify what type of trader you are. So I'm going to give you the breakdown because this is important. Okay. A swing trader is a person that is looking to find a good trade placement into a trend to hold it for days, weeks, months at a time. This person has a lot of patience. This person has larger financial goals. They're not really looking for the quick money. They're looking more so for longevity money. Consistent money. Okay. A swing trader is looking to find a good trade placement into a trend to hold it for days, weeks, or months at a time. This person has a lot of patience. This person has larger financial goals. They're seeking out longevity money, consistent money. Okay. And let me put this up here. All right. And then you have a scalper. The scalper is looking for short-term trends. Quick pips. 50 plus pips and dip. Scalper is looking to quickly enter and exit the market with their profits. For those of you that like to trade volatile pairs, indices, and all of that, scalping those pairs is perfect because you don't want to stay too long. You don't want to stay in them too long. You just want to get in and out. Okay. So there's a difference between being a swing trader and a scalper. Take a picture of this. Make sure that you have a clear understanding because you need to identify yourself as a trader. Okay? Because this could be detrimental to your trading. A person like me, I'm looking for short trades. And a lot of times when swing traders try to trade with me, it kind of throws them off because I will have already closed my trade in profit, got out the way, started hunting for some other plate to feast on, and they're still in the trade waiting for it to hit TP. But I don't do that. I don't do that because I don't like to see my money go from red to blue to red. I don't like to see the fluctuation of my trade. And to be quite honest, I ain't got the patience. I want to know the outcome right now. I want to know if I'm making money right now, right? So I hop in the market quickly and I get out. Okay. A good swing trader on our team is Marvisha. She likes to look for long-term trends on pairs like GBP USD. And when she finds the trend, she will look for the entry and she will hold it. I done seen Marvisha hold trade for a week in drawdown. Came out in profit. I was shocked. I think she held NAS 100 one time for a whole freaking week. And we watched the trade and we monitored the trade and we got out of that thing blue. The market will definitely test your patience. The market will definitely test your ability to be humble. Sometimes you guys are closing trades in red and they haven't even moved anywhere yet. And you're costing yourself thousands of dollars for lack of patience and lack of understanding. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you guys what you should be looking for to determine what kind of trend you're in. So this is what I want to do. It's 33 people on this call. It's a beautiful number. I just told you guys the difference between being a swing trader and a scalper. So I want you to identify yourself right now. I want all 33 of you to drop it in the chat. What kind of trader are you? Are you a swing trader or are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader or are you a scalper? And you cannot be both. You have to choose. Either you like the short money, quick, fast, and I'm out, or you like the long money. I know we all love money, so we really don't give a damn either way, but there's a preference. We all have a preference, okay? And I want to teach you guys based on your preference. So I want to see what kind of audience am I talking to today. Let me see. My swing traders, Shanika, Rochelle, Drew, Yone, Todd, Michelle, Jared, Olajuwon, Faith, Lit. Everybody else, scalp. Oh, I'm about to show y'all how to scalp and swing. What? What? I'm about to teach y'all how to scalp and swing today. All right. So strap on your boots. For my scalpers, I need you to write on a piece of paper, this is how I'm going to swing that thing. And for my swing traders, I want you to write down big scalps on the way. Big scalps on the way. Y'all know I like to keep stuff fun. Big scalps on the way. And shorty swing my way. If you're trying to learn how to swing, we're going to say shorty swing my way. If you're trying to scalp, we got big scalps on the way. Okay. So now that we have identified ourselves as traders, let me show you guys how to swing trade. Then we're going to get into scalping because that's my favorite thing. So first things first, when you want to mark up your charts, step one, we want to identify the trend in the market. Step 2, we want to create our analysis from the higher time frame on down. Step 3, identify 3 pairs that you want to trade for the week. All right, identify 3 pairs that you want to trade for the week. You can do this by searching for your setups on Sunday evening for the week. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to look for good quality trades. So I want y'all to write this down. When you go to search out your setup and mark up your charts, first thing I want you to do is identify the trend in the market. Well, how do we identify the trend in the market, Royalty? You're going to go to the higher time frame, okay? If you want to be a swing trader, you will check the higher time frames only. For example, the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. You will mark up your trends from the higher time frame. You will spot your entries on the lower time frame. Please write this down. Write down the steps and write down what you will be looking at as a swing trader. Once you've got these notes written down, drop your favorite emoji in the chat. Hey, what was you trying to tell me? What? What's up, man? Come in. I didn't have to do it. What you trying to do? Okay, I'll talk about that. Thanks, man. Once you got the notes down, drop your favorite emoji in the chat. It's 34 people on this call. It's like 7 emojis in the chat. And y'all keep it polite in my chat or I'm going to turn it off. Okay? We're here to make money today. And if you're not here to make money, I don't know what you're here for. We grown adults. So let's keep my chat nice and cordial. All right. Drop your favorite emoji in the chat. Once you got all the notes down, we're going to move on. Also, Marvisha brought up a very good point. She said, you guys consider your lifestyle before you try to label yourselves as traders. Okay. You want to look at what type of finances are you playing with in this market? Because at the end of the day, this is a market that takes money to make money, right? If you want to be a swing trader, you definitely want to have more capital to bring to the table because you're talking about trading throughout pullbacks. So I need you to understand with swing trading, you will be in drawdown. I'm going to show you guys how you come out of drawdown and come out on top with more pips. But I really need you to understand that as a swing trader, you will be in drawdown. And it will test your patience. It will test your faith. It will test your belief system. It'll have you like, Lord, why did I ever say I wanted to learn this? All that. And if you crack under pressure, you will mess up your trades. So you have to make sure that you got a zen about you. I don't know, you need to be doing yoga. You definitely need to listen to powerful audiobooks like Trading in the Zone and stuff like that to keep your mind clear when you trade. I'm going to let you know now, if you're having a bad time in life, if every day you wake up and the skies are blue, your ass needs to be in your demo. Excuse my French, but I hope we all mature enough to understand the word ass. Okay? You need to be in your demo. And that's just me being real. Please do not trade with a stressful mind. Please do not trade in your feelings. Please do not trade just because you're bored. Please do not trade while intoxicated. Yeah, I'm about to hit a lot of y'all in the chest, huh? Yeah. Please don't trade while intoxicated. You make dumb decisions. You get drunk, you like, I'm finna throw all my money in. We at the casino. You high as hell, like, are these buttons? Are these flowers? No. Big no. Can't handle your substance. Please don't trade your money. I'm about to hit some more people in the chest. Please don't trade your bill money. Don't say, oh, it's okay, the market finna give it back. You're broke. Trading is with expendable money. If you can't even afford to lose $20, you shouldn't be trading. Let's be real. You need to go pay your bills. You need to put your money in savings. You need to wait till your next paycheck. And you can demo trade this week. Are you going to die because everybody's making money and you're in your demo? Grow up. Y'all don't like it when I talk to y'all like that, huh? This real facts. Grow up. We're not trying to keep up with the Joneses. We getting rich. I don't care if Sally had a $600 day. I don't care if Rebecca made $1 million last week. What do that got to do with me? Congratulations, Rebecca. I'm very happy for you. Now it's my turn. Y'all so be worrying about what the other person doing. You forgot you ain't posted no profits in a week. Oop. Big T. I don't want to hear nothing you got to say unless it's I just made this bag. Don't even come trying to talk in my Telegram if you ain't got no profits to show. Let's be for what are you here for? You want friends? Go to Facebook. Plenty of friends on there. Everybody your friend. You want to talk at the water cooler? Go to the basketball court and go talk at the water cooler. But here in the market, we make money. This pays my bills. This feeds my family. You come to my trainings late, you're bad. You don't get on my live trading calls, you're bad. Let me get a heat check. If you ever made money live trading with me, drop your favorite emoji in the chat. Go crazy real quick. I just want to see something. I live trade every week, Tuesday through Thursday, between 2:30 a.m. and 4 a.m. on this same link. If you're not here, you're queer. Okay? Just joke. Nobody get offended. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But long story short, all in all, we in this together. The more you reach out to me, the more I can help you. The more you plug in, the better you're going to be. The more you try, the more success you're going to see. In this situation, you can only fail forward. Seriously. There's no bottom because you started without knowing. You started with no understanding. So you really can't do any worse than what you did yesterday because you don't know anyway. So it doesn't matter. Y'all get to messing up and you like, I hate trading. I'm out of here for the day. I'm done. But guess what? This money's never done. Okay. So with swing trading, excuse me, you will be in drawdown. Red is the new blue. Get used to it. Okay. Now, scalp trading. Or actually, no, we got to mark up the charts, right? So here's some more notes that I want you guys to jot down. This is how you do analysis. Okay. 3 things that you want to pay attention to. Please write this down. Number 1, where is the current price in the market? I'm going to teach y'all this so much, you're going to be able to regurgitate it with ease. Where did the current price come from? Last question. Where is the current price going? Where is the current price in the market? Somebody commented in the chat. Let's see who's a millionaire. First millionaire, comment the current price of UK 100 in the chat. Who is my first millionaire? Comment the current price. Oh, Brianna, you wrong. Oh, she tried. That's a big typo. Let's see. 6505. That's wrong anyway. 6505. Was it at 6505? Because y'all keep saying 6505, 6506, 6508, 6510.2. Okay. I'm going to say good job, Jasmine. Good job, everybody who said 6505. Y'all see how fast UK 100 moves, right? It just moved 6 points. Y'all, whole time y'all was talking, the price was just changing, right? Y'all was like, oh, man. So, look, this is how you know where the current price in the market is for those of you that was like, I don't even know. Boom! Hello! Do you think they put this dotted line here for nothing? Hello? Do you think they color-coded this number right here for nothing? Hello? And y'all know what this number is? It's 21 hours left on this day candle. The new day in UK 100 started 3 hours ago. So every one of these candles represents 1 day in the UK 100 market. Yesterday, it was a big sell candle. Right now, it's just getting started. So what is the current price? 6505.2, 6504.7, 6505.0. That's your current price. Bow. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bubble here. Boom. Okay. Now, where did the current price come from? Drop it in the chat. Let me see who my next millionaires are. Smiley talking about, gotta be quicker than that. Yeah, that's why when y'all be trying to trade these big pairs, your account be getting snatched up because these things are moving. And if you don't know the trend, you're gonna be pretty upset. Number 2, where did the current price come from? Drop it in the chat. Where did the current price come from? How did the current price of UK 100 get to 6505? Drop it in the chat. Let me see who's next to be a millionaire. Let's go. I think my last millionaire was a toss-up between Jasmine and Smiley, I think. I don't remember. But this is who we got this time. You said you answered? I don't see an answer. I don't see nobody answering this question. Where did the current price come from? 33 people on the call. I don't got not one answer. None of y'all know? You answered earlier. Like, I'm answer again. I ain't finna go searching through 30 emojis to find out what you said a million minutes ago. I said, where did the current price come from? Not what is the price currently. That's how I know y'all ain't paying attention. Y'all just drop numbers. 57, 34, 7,000, 45, 47. But no, it's not what I'm asking y'all. Come on, man. Now y'all like, oh, we embarrassed. You should be. You should definitely be embarrassed because I did not ask you nothing about what the price is. Where did the current price come from? The last day. Oh, Jesus. We in the last days right now. Y'all just gonna give me whatever at this point. The previous candle. The previous high from the uptrend. Okay, DeMarcus. The previous high. The last low. Oh, Smiley! Ah! Y'all drop y'all favorite emoji in the chat for Smiley, man. And DeMarcus, because he's like kind of right. The previous low. Let's go. Somebody was paying attention on the 3 p.m. training today. Jesus. It only took us 20 wrong answers and a little bit of popcorn. The last low. The price was at 5,486 on November 3rd. It rolls up. I hope y'all hear this when y'all look at y'all charts. It rolls up to 6,962. And then it dropped. So DeMarcus, you're half right. It came from this high, from this uptrend here. But where did this high come from? That low. Okay. So now we have a low where you should have pressed buy in the market at, because we buy low and we sell high. Let me make that note on here. Make sure you write that down. Buy at all of the lowest points in the market. Take that note down. Sell at all the highest points in the market. Okay. Drop your favorite emoji in the chat when you got the notes down. Smiley, a big millionaire. I'm so proud. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Smiley. I remember the days when you was part of the peanut crew who couldn't even answer the questions. Look at you now. Look at you now. A little bit of training, a little bit of getting serious, a little bit of plugging in, and it's all making sense. It's all starting to make sense. Y'all wait till I start getting y'all to host trainings and you be like, yeah, popping your trash. It's all starting to make sense. Now, who can tell me what tool on TradingView helps you to determine where the price is about to go? Now, whoever can answer this question for me is the biggest millionaire on this call. Oh, Jasmine! Let's go! Watch out! She said it so fast, with confidence, with ease. He's talking about, so we named Peanut Crew. Wow, I bet. I love y'all. With ease! Jasmine! Y'all drop y'all favorite emoji in the chat. Go crazy for Jasmine right now. And go crazy for DeMarcus and Brianna and Kia and Smiley, because they all had it right. Let's go! For those of y'all with headphones in, I'm so sorry, but my mentor taught me high energy equals high income. So I'm never going to turn down for nobody, period. Why? Because the higher my vibrations are, the higher y'all vibrations will be, and the more money we going to make, because high energy is high income, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what the Fibs tool is, and I promise you, this is going to change your trading game for life, okay? Let me make sure y'all got the notes because I'm about to delete this. Does anybody else need these notes? Does anybody else need the notes on the screen? Drop a 1 if you need the notes. You need a second. If not, about to scrub this thing. Why'd you do this to me? No, I can't eat right now. Man, why you didn't make the lobster? I love you. Shanika talk about, I want a lobster. You get none of my lobster. Y'all, something's wrong with me. I eat lobster like every week, G. I got addicted to lobster and sushi. I swear, I think I'm rich. I go to the Kroger. Give me all the lobsters. I just go buy them all. I went and bought like 4 lobsters today. You know why though? Because manifestation. I'm gonna teach y'all something that David and Benitez said in Conceive, Believe, Achieve. If you never experience the things that you want out of life, how are you gonna work harder to get back to them? Why would I keep eating beef and chicken if I really want to live a life of lobster dreams and champagne taste? So now every time we go to the restaurant, we order wine. Every time I go to the store, I'm buying lobster because I work too damn hard to be eating that cheap ass chicken that my little ass budget can afford. Sometimes you got to stretch your budget and remind yourself when you at the house alone and it's all these Zoom calls and trainings and videos and trade this and trade that going on, you could easily be having lobster for the rest of your life. So let me show y'all how to use this Fib tool correctly. I know what y'all want. I know what y'all came here for. Y'all don't care about my lobster dreams. Y'all don't care what I got to say. Y'all just want the money. And it's cool. I like these kind of friendships. You see this tool right here? You click this tray. If you click the tray next to any of these, it gives you more options. Okay, you pop out the tray. So right here, you will see a pitchfork. Okay, you click on the little tool and you can go to Fib Retracement. I like to call this tool Inspector Gadget. Okay, this is the tool you use when you don't know where your baby daddy at. And you trying to figure out where he at. You go get the Fib. Where you been at, right? This is the tool you use when you want to know just what is the price finna do? Just where are you going? Anyway. Okay. So you go get the Fib. All right. Who can tell me in the chat where we're gonna place the Fib? Somebody comment in the chat and let me know where we're gonna place the Fib. I know they hold on recording. Oh my goodness. Brianna is about to be the next. From the low to the high. Yes, TR, at the low point. Kia to the right. I don't even know what that means. We got to be very clear. From the low to the high. What is this called right here? When you have a low point connected to a high. Let me see who really in a bag. And I just taught y'all this at 3 p.m. What is this called? When the price goes from boom to boom. What is that? Let me see who can get it. Oh my God. Let's go, Brianna. Let's go, Brianna. You ready? You ready? It's a swing. Don't play with me. Y'all talking about y'all want to be swing traders? You need to be able to identify lay swing, okay? Let me show you something. Price swung from this low over to this high. And then price swung from this high to this low. So when you swing trading, you're trading from swing to swing. That means you're going to get in at this low. You're going to go to this high, hit the pullback, and you're going to swing back up to the next high. Okay? So market moves in a structure like this. And then I'm going to show y'all how to place the Fib and use the Fib. All right? Y'all drop y'all favorite emoji. Go crazy for Brianna. She really been studying and trying to step up her trading. And the proof is showing in the answers. I couldn't even get her to talk on a Zoom call before. Now she's going crazy. I'm so proud of her. So listen, market moves like this. The price goes up, the price pulls back. The price goes up a little higher, the price pulls back. Okay, mind you, this low and this low is higher than this low. Okay, this low right here is higher than that one. So this is how you have the buyer structure. It goes high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, so let me show you guys something real smooth. All right, if you were an advanced trader and you paid attention to this video and you went to watch, you could have entered a trade here. Because what, team? Why would we take a trade right here? Yeah, pop quizzes all 2021. Why are we taking a trade right there at that red circle? Wick rejection is a good answer. What's another reason? Why would I press buy right there? Because it's the lowest. Let's go, Faith. First day on the squad. Getting the answers right. Let's go, Tierra. Buy at the lowest point. Don't overthink this. We buy low, we sell high. So my first buy entry is here at the lowest point the market could possibly be, where the market is exhausted and it's giving me sticks instead of candles. It's like, I can't even push down any further. Okay, we buy in right here. That's my first entry. Let me put a little ray right here. Entry number one. Okay, the price starts chugga. Can't go any higher. We're stuck, guys. Our wheels are broke. And then it goes higher. Okay, what is this called right here? Drop it in the chat. Consolidation. Let's go, Dylan. Pull back. You guys can box in your consolidation. Get a rectangle and do this. Now I can clearly see when price is moving sideways. Why? Because all the candles are right next to each other. Why? Because the price is not going higher or lower at all. This is a strategy called price trapping. You can now place a horizontal line around this box. You can now set price alerts on this line. For those of you that don't know how to set a price alert, you see this pretty little plus sign? You just click it. And then you click add alert. And oh my gosh, it's an alert there. You see that orange thing? It's like, wow. It's like, how did that get there? Oh, look, you hit the plus sign, add alert. Oh, there's two of them. So now when price travels up out of this box, my computer is going to make a noise. And it's going to say, alert, UK 100. My phone, as long as I have TradingView downloaded on my phone and I'm logged into the same account that I use on my computer and on my phone's going to go off. Hey, alert. Okay, you can double click on your alert and you can add a message to it. So I'm going to put buy UK 100 now in big letters. I'm going to save it. And it's going to go off and it's going to pop up on my screen. It's going to say buy UK 100 now. I know I get on y'all nerves. I love y'all. And then I'm going to make an alert. I want to know if I should be selling it. So I'm going to double click. And then I'm going to sell UK 100 now. And then I'm logging off my charts for the day. Why? Because I identified my consolidation. I trapped in the price. And I don't want to be notified until UK 100 gets it together. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you until you decide what you're about to do, buddy. Because I don't make money when you're moving sideways. And look what happens. It burst out of the box. I get an alert. Can someone tell me what this is classified as? What do you call this first initial exit from the box? Now we're going to see who really pays attention to my calls. Break out! Let's go! It's a break! a break. Price is breaking out of consolidation. Break. Just like that. Y'all got to say it like that. Break. Okay, look at this. Price broke out of the box. It's no longer dancing sideways in this line. It's up there now. So what is this called? People who know so much. What is this? What is this? What is this little purple part? Correction. Retest. Let's go, TR. Oh. TR is beasting y'all. Retest. Yes, Smiley, correction. Same thing, okay? So the price breaks out to the upside, and then it's like, whoa, man, I forgot my sunglasses. Bro, we can't go to the pool without my sunglasses. Bro, we got to go back, bro. I need my sunglasses. Man, you don't need them sunglasses. Yes, I do, man. Fine, go get your sunglasses. Retest. We was going to the pool. I forgot my glasses. Now I got to go back. This is why you don't just buy the market as soon as it breaks, because it may want to pull back to the zone it came from. Retest. If you trade break, retest, entry, you will never have a bad trade. A strong 80% of your trades are going to clear. So, can someone tell me what this is? Doji, please stop playing with me. You better read that Candlestick Bible again. Reversal, Jesus, Lord. We done lost the crowd. Somebody get me back. What is this? Smiley and Brianna done left the bus. Lord Jesus. Lord, not a... Oh, God. Break, retest, and then what? I done lost the crowd. Shayna! Let's go! Entry! I done confused them because I ain't say what they wanted me to say. They should know what was coming next. After you break and then you retest and the market shows you that it's definitely gonna go in the direction that you thought it would, what should you be doing? Entering the buy. But for some reason, y'all got on a different bus. Can somebody tell me how you got lost from the Greyhound to downtown? So you know, how do you know the retest? That's a very good question. How do you know it ended? Okay, let's take a trip, right? So we came up and then price started consolidating and it came back into the zone. But where do we go after we came back into the zone? Can somebody tell me? Where do we go from here? Because I ain't gonna tell you. Y'all need to start telling me. Then I'm gonna know y'all learned something. Whose iPhone? Is that Elijah Wan? It shot back up. Like, come on. Come on. What did it do? It broke out of the box. It came back to the box. And then it left the box. It left. And the reason why I wouldn't enter here is because what the hell kind of candle is that? I'm not entering on that. So it's okay. It retested again. Double confirmation. And then what happened? Pew! If you waited for break, retest, entry, and you took this trade, this is zero drawdown. 500 and 13 pips of profit. Comment 513 in the chat if you wish you had these 500 pips. Comment 513 in the chat if you didn't even know this was 500 pips. This is the daily chart. This is why you guys need to get off of those small time frames and trade from the daily. This retest took a few days, okay? And patience pays. All right, I want y'all to write this down on your paper. Patience pays. Because let's be serious. How many of you really want to trade every single day, all day, no matter what? You have nothing else to do with your life except stare at these damn charts and fiend desperately for money. Let's be serious. I'm going to show, I told you guys, what did I say? Before you get off this call, you're going to know how to make $500 to $1,000 or better in one trade with one pair. You can scalp the daily. What? If I hopped in this thing and it straight went blue, instant blue, I'm just going to take my money and go. Just going to take my money and go. I would rather scalp 1 hour, but you can definitely scalp the daily. I've done it before. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how much patience it takes to catch this 500 pip trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Between 19 and 20 days. Okay. And let me show you how much money you would have made with a dime, with $1, with a standard lot size. So tell me this. Could you be so patient to not trade for 19 to 20 days for a dime to make you $500? Drop your favorite emoji in the chat if you are willing to wait 19 to 20 days, not trading UK 100 until you get the confirmation that you need to pop a dime that never goes into drawdown and stays blue for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. How would you like to be in UK 100 in profit, no drawdown for 4 days, just watching your money add up every day? Is that the type of life you want to live? One trade, you only have to leverage 10 cents of your money to make $500. Or you might have a big trade account. You might have $1,000 in your trade account. And with $1,000 in your trade account, you could have leveraged $1 on this move, and you could have made $5,000 in 4 days off of $1 of your money. Or you could be super disciplined, build your trade account balance up to about $10,000. You can drop a standard on this move and make $50,000 in 4 days. Drop your favorite emoji in the chat if you're tired of playing. All you needed was break, retest, entry. You didn't need an indicator. You didn't need somebody to tap you on the shoulder. You didn't need a signal. You didn't need to sit on your phone for 20 hours out the day, just hoping that the world would change. You didn't need any of that. You just needed your simple confirmation, break, retest, entry, and patience. Because you would have had to look at this pair 19 days in a row to confirm none of these candles are what I need to get this entry. And then guess what? This is the even better part. The even better part. That's one trade, okay? Now that you have watched UK 100 and you realize it's exhausted up here, this is a big wick, and this is where we sell. You take this trade from here, no drawdown, another 500 pips. How many of y'all want to make $1,000 off in a week? Drop 20 cents to 1,000 in the chat. 20 cents to 1,000. 20 cents to 1,000. This is the beauty of trading in the Forex market. This is the only financial market where you can come to the table with pennies and make thousands. And I don't think that you guys fully understand the beauty of what trading really is. You do not need hundreds of dollars. You do not need a $5,000 trade account. I had $134 in my trade account when I made $10,000 in 1 hour. So if you have $100, you're a thousandaire. Let's be serious. If you have 20 cents, you can make $1,000 a week. Let's be serious. But you have to be very patient and very selective about what you trade on. You can't take every single trade that comes across your plate because every trade is not a winning trade. Find a pair and pay attention to the market, okay? So I just showed you guys how to make $1,000. All right, let's see how long it took you to make this $1,000. $1,000 in 24 days off of 20 cents. Y'all like that return? 28 days, $1,000 from a 20-cent investment. Took you 19 days to find a trade. Took you 28 days to be in profit and kick it. You only took 2 trades and you only leveraged 10 cents of your money and you made $1,000 in profit. He said, my job could never. Exactly. But a lot of you go to your job and you don't get on the trainers. Or a lot of you use your job as an excuse as to why when you get off work, you can't get on the trainers. But your job doesn't give you a raise. Your job doesn't have a structure to where you can make thousands of dollars right then and there at that moment, cash it out and go crazy. So why are you putting all your time into something that's not putting his time into you? Your boss don't even care about giving you a promotion. Let's be real. So why you keep breaking your back for your boss and not for yourself? This business teaches you how to be your own boss. You literally can get paid for every business referral that you have, but you don't tell anybody about this because you're selfish and you feel like I ain't made the money yet, so why should I tell them? But you could make money if you would just tell them. Hello? Are you there? Boom. You don't have enough money to trade? Tell some people about the company. The company will pay you when they buy a package and you will fund your trade account. Hello? Light bulbs going off anywhere? Everybody has an affiliate program, even your trading broker. You can refer people to your trading broker and get paid. So what are you waiting on? Make this situation work for you. I want y'all to comment that in the chat. I will make this work for me no matter what. I will make this work for me no matter what. And then I'm going to teach y'all the fibs. Let me see all 29 of y'all say, I will make this work for me no matter what. I will make this work for me no matter what. And I'm going to show you guys how you could have caught this sell move even if you missed the buy. Sometimes we open up our charts. How many times has it happened where you go to look at your pair and you like, God dang, GU went crazy. I was asleep. I missed it. Man, this is, what do I trade for? I was asleep. Oh, gosh. How many of y'all ever felt that? Drop your favorite emoji in the chat if you ever looked at a pair and was like, dang it, I'm going back to sleep. So look, you use your fib retracement tool from this toolbar. You place it from low to high, like Smiley said. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to grab a horizontal line. Let me delete these price alert. I want you to grab a horizontal line and I want you to place it on every level that the fib gave you. Okay. And this is how you spot the move before the move occurs. This is how I gave y'all the sell on GBP USD that hit TP4 yesterday using the fib. So I'm going to place a horizontal line on every line, right? And you guys should be doing this with me right now. If you're not doing this with me right now, stop smoking crack. If you don't practice this when we get off the phone and demo trade the trades from what I'm about to teach you, stop smoking crack. I don't want to smoke crack with you, Okay. I'm literally teaching you how to make money. I'm going to drop the recording so you can watch this back and practice. And if you don't do that, you're crazy. All right. So the fib, it has levels on it. I want y'all to take a picture of these settings. These are the standard fib settings that your fib needs to have. The 0, the 0.236, the 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and the number 1. Take a picture and drop your favorite emoji in the chat when you have this. You can apply the fib to anything. It doesn't matter. Don't overcomplicate it. If you have a swing, fib it. If the market makes a low and a high, or a high and a low, put a fib on it. I don't care if it's on the 5-minute, 15-minute, hour, day, whatever. You pick what type of trader you want to be. The smaller the time frame, the smaller your payout is going to be. Just remember that. So if y'all keep trying to stay on the 15-minute and get to it quick, you're not going to get it. Can y'all see these settings right here? Please drop your favorite emoji when you got it. I see some emojis coming in. Jasmine, you might have to slide your screen over if you're on mobile. I don't know why you can't see it. Can y'all see my screen? You see my screen? Yeah, it's up there. Let me know when you got it, Jasmine. Y'all better appreciate my training. My dinner getting cold talking to y'all. I got ribs today. Talking to y'all. Homemade ribs. Sitting here talking to y'all. That's how much I care about my team's success. I can be munching on my ribs, but I'd rather talk to y'all. Anybody still need these settings? Because I'm about to move on to how you use it. This is a very important tool in the trading world. Most people won't teach you how to use this tool. So don't let what's going on here today go over your head. It's a joint call. So now that we got the fib settings, I hope everybody got it. I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? I want y'all to write this down. Okay. I'm gonna move this over so y'all can see the numbers, okay? So you look at the fib, there's a number 1 right here, and then there's a price, 6956 point, okay? Then you have the 0.786, 0.618, 0.5, 0.382, 0.236, and the 0, okay? The 0% is where you started from. The 100% is where you went to, okay? All right. So at the 0 level and the 100% level, you can expect reversals. Okay. So we're going to label our horizontal line. You see how it says text? We're going to put 100% reversal expected. Okay. Down here, we're going to put 0% reversal expected. So that when price comes back to this level, we know, I'm looking for reversals. Okay. Then you have the 0.236. This is a retest zone. Expect the price to retest in this area. So before entry, you need a break and retest. Break and retest needed to enter. Trying to make sure you guys can see the notes. Same thing with the 786%. It's a retest zone. You need a break and retest to enter. Okay. At the 618%, this is a continuation level. It's a continuation level, okay? The 382 and the 618% on your fib are continuation levels. If you get a break and retest at this level, it means that the trend is going to continue. I will explain all of this in just a moment. Okay, 50% is guaranteed. Every major move will give you a 50% retracement. Okay, so now that I have used my fib to mark out these levels, I'm gonna remove it. I don't need it anymore. Okay, so now my zones are marked out perfectly. So let me show you guys something. Okay, price hit every single line that I placed. You guys see that? Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand. Drop a 2 if you're confused. Do you see that the price touched every yellow line on here? Okay, Shane, I got you. It's no coincidence that the price touched every one of these levels. This tool is spot on accurate. Okay, so this is another way that you can go draw out your support and resistance zones. You no longer have to guess where is support and resistance in the market. The fib is a percentage based tool. They know that the price is going to retrace at these levels because the market moves in levels. So if you notice, when it left this level, it traveled to this level and then it retested. When it left this level, it traveled to that level and then it retested. It left this level, traveled to the next level, and then it retested. It left this level, traveled to the next level, and retested. So once the price hits a certain level on the fib, it's going to do what? Drop it in the chat. What's your scene? Retest, correct. So Ty, you asked, what about the short and long position? I was using that. You still can. If you guys are using something that works, use it. You can use the fib with the short and long position. The short and long position tool is for you to measure out what your stop loss and TP should be, right? So if you want to take an entry from right here, you can use the short and long position to simply calculate the pip amount. Okay, that's it. But that doesn't have anything to do with spotting out the trend and direction of where price is going to travel to. Okay, this is the most important part of trading. You want to identify the trend and know where price is going to go. So now you don't have to guess anymore. Okay, look at this. We were expecting a reversal at the highest point, and we got that. Price came to this level, and we didn't get any buyer's candles above this. So you should have entered the sell. Once you entered the sell, this should have been your TP1. This should have been your TP2. TP1 already got hit, and we came a few pips shy of TP2. So if you took this trade from the failure to break above this top level, and you were looking for the reversal as expected, you would have took this trade off this wick, gone 500 pips in profit, and got out. And you could have took this trade on the daily. This move finally played out on January 21st. You would have caught the perfect entry into UK 100, and you wouldn't have come out until 21 days later. Anybody have any questions about this? No, fibs and quarter points, they pretty much do the same thing. If you're going to use fibs, you don't need to use quarter points. If you're going to use quarter points, you don't need to use fibs. Pick one. They both work the same way. Trading with the fib and break and retest is a strategy. If you understand trading with the fib and break and retest, you don't need anything else. Not an ADX, not a MACD, not a 55, not a moving average, not a ding dong, not a nothing. Nothing else do you need, because this is naked trading. This is trading specifically off of the price. This is price action trading, and this is the best way to trade. No distractions, just the candles and your brain. Questions? Any more questions? All right. You have a question about pops. What's the question? What's your question about pops? As far as the alerts, will you need to set another alert if it appears to be in consolidation? Yes. You want to set an alert at the top of the consolidation and the bottom. Yes, I can, Ty. I got you. You want to set an alert at the top of the consolidation and the bottom, because you don't know if price is going to break out up or down. And remember, we're not biased on the trend. We're going to trade the price in whatever direction it's going in, because we make money when it's going up and we make money when it's going down. We just need to know which one is it doing. Go ahead, Ty. I muted you.
Hello. Okay, so say I'm in GU for a buy, and it's when y'all say re-enter the trade, am I going to get in it for a sell or a buy again?
Okay, I'm going to give you a pops example. Okay. Gotta find a good example. All right, bet right here. You can stay off mute too, Ty, because I want to make sure you understand this.
Okay.
So look, pops is profit off of pullbacks. Let me just write that down. So there's one or two ways you can pop. You have pullbacks into consolidation, and you have pullbacks while already in profit. If you've ever been in a trade and you were up $40, and then next thing you turned around and look, you were only up like $10, it's because price was pulling back. Okay. So in that example, see this right here, price traveled up. So you took the buy from down here. Okay. When price traveled up right here, it kind of retested right here. Once the retest was over, you could have took a second entry right here on this candle. And that is a pop.
Second entry, what you mean? Like I'm going in and I'm meshing GU again?
Yes, you're gonna buy it again. You know why?
Okay.
Because you retested and it continued to the upside. So you have one entry down here. Let me put a line. That pink line, that was your first entry. Okay. This pink line is your second entry. All right. If you look right here in the middle, you see how price started moving sideways. Once you see price stop moving sideways and continue up, pop another trade. This is how you maximize your profits. If you're already in this trade and it's blue, why would you go looking for any other trade? You're in profit. And you don't know how far it's got to go before it hits the target. Well, you do if you put the TP on your product or your screen, okay? So once you get in the trade and it's in profit and it's going, you want to put another trade in after the pullback, okay? So here's your second entry. Then look, price travels up again, and what happens right here?
Consolidation.
And then what happens?
It went up.
Pop another entry right there. Now you have 3 trades in profit on the same pair. We go up, we pull back, and then we go up again. Now here's an example of pullback when you're in drawdown. Down here, you were already in profit. So this is a different type of pop. You're just popping new entries as you go along. Now, pops, when you profit off of the pullback, let's say you never entered those. Okay, we want to erase that. let's say this pink line is your first entry. You got into the trade and it went into the negative because you see it was lower than where you started, right?
Yes.
Now, if you look at your chart and it comes and it wicks here and it continues back up, you are going to pop a new entry. Why? Because the market just confirmed to you it's not going down. You're not going to hit your stop loss. You came out of the pullback and went back into profit. Pop another trade. Profit
Okay.
off of your pullbacks. A lot of times, as new traders, you guys look at your phone and you're like, dang it, my trade is red. My trade is red. Oh, man, this sucks. Oh, it's blue again. Yes, I'm making money. Oh, yeah. But you forgot. Pop another trade. It's blue again. Pops. Profit off pullbacks. Any more questions? Speak now or forever hold your peace. I recorded this today, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording.